Find the value of 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square up to 1999 minus 1999 square minus 2000 square plus 2001 square. Okay. I want to again just try it out and then we'll discuss. Okay. So one way to solve the question is, guys, you first separate all the positive terms and the negative terms. Okay. Positive terms कौन से होंगे? Odd numbers का square, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square. Okay. And the negative numbers कौन से होंगे? All the even numbers का square, 2 square, 4 square, 6 square up to 2000, right? So I denote all the positive terms with the black color and negative term with the red color. Okay. Now this resembles a minus b, right, guys? अगर एक expression है a minus b, can I add and subtract b? Of course, adding and subtracting the same term does not change the equation. Okay, so when I do that, I'll get a plus b minus 2b, isn't it? I'm adding b and I'm subtracting b, right? बात तो वही हो गई, right? So I'll do the same thing here right now, guys. I will add and subtract this part over here. ये 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square up to 2000 square. This we will add and subtract. So we'll get something like this. Okay, 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 2001 square. इसको हमने add किया, see, we added this part over here. Okay, and we subtracted again. So ये क्या हो गया? A plus B minus 2B, isn't it? Right. So if you observe carefully now, in the second bracket here, in the second bracket, you can just take 2 square common from all these terms, right? These are all squares of even numbers. So अंदर basically क्या बचेगा? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 1000 square. Okay. And यहाँ पे, okay, यहाँ पे guys क्या हो जाएगा? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. This is summation of 2000 square, right? Okay, so 2001 square, right? So when you basically look at this bracket, this is nothing but sum of 2001 terms ka square. Okay, and this is sum of the squares of 1000 terms. Okay, you apply the formula for summation, n into n plus 1 into n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, now between these two you can make small adjustments. देखो दोनों में से 2001 upon 6 तो common दिख ही रहा है, right? Also guys, you can just multiply this 1001 with 2, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 2002, right? और यहाँ क्या बचेगा? 4 बचेगा, right? When you do that, you can take directly two terms common outside. Okay, 2001 into 2002 दोनों common आ जाएगा बाहर. What is left is 4003 here, and यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? 4000, right? Okay, so this will be 4003 minus 4000, which is nothing but 3 only. Okay, 3 cancel हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, तो क्या बचेगा नीचे? 6 बचेगा, right? So 2001 into 2002 divided by 2, the answer is 2003001, right? Okay, now it might be slightly complicated, especially if you're not very much comfortable with squares and if you can't make this observation. Okay, there is a much quicker way to solve the same question, guys. Let's see how we do that. So we have 1 square minus 2 square, 3 square minus 4 square, 1999 square minus 2000 square plus 2001 square, right? अभी इस 2001 square को रखते हैं guys बाजू में. Okay, if you look at all the other terms, they are of the form a square minus b square. Okay, so what is a square minus b square? It is a plus b into a minus b. So ये पहला bracket क्या हो जाएगा? 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 2. Same with this 3 plus 4 into 3 minus 4. ऐसा करते करते same ये bracket क्या हो जाएगा? 1999 plus 2000 into 1999 minus 2000, right? This is how it will be, right? I've written all the terms as a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now all these terms here, okay, इनका difference क्या होगा? देखो guys, 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 1, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, 5 minus 6 is minus 1, ये भी minus 1 होगा, right? So all these brackets will basically become minus 1, जहाँ भी negative है 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4 वाले term जितने भी है, right? And from all of these you can take a minus sign common. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll simply rearrange 2001 square को पहला लिख दो. Okay, and the remaining part is minus this part. Okay, now what is this part, guys? Summation of the first 2000 natural numbers. Okay, और यहाँ क्या है? 2001 square. Okay, so ये formula basically क्या हो जाएगा? n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So 2001 is common between these two terms, right? Taking that common, अंदर क्या बचेगा? 2001 minus 1000. Okay, just like the same question. Okay, this is what you get, 2003001. It's as simple as that. Okay, so यहाँ से हम याद रख सकते हैं guys. See, whenever we have a question like this, okay, if they're telling you 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 4 square, my bad, ये minus होगा. Okay, now this is going on up to minus n minus 1 square plus n square, right? Condition is that n should be odd here, right? Okay, and of course अगर plus से start होके वापस plus पे खत्म हो रहा है, it's definitely going to be odd. So whenever this happens, the sum का value is summation of n. It's as simple as that, right? So next time you see a question like this, directly apply summation of n. जैसे यहाँ पे summation of 2001 लगाओ, directly एक step में answer आ जाएगा. As simple as that. All right, guys. So with that, we move on to the next part now. One more question we'll solve. So I wanted to try this one. Please try it out. Okay. So 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 up to 99 into 100. Okay. Now, what we observe here is, guys, for all these terms here, okay, अगर 1 है तो next term क्या है 1 plus 1. अगर next term 2 है तो next term क्या है उसका बगल बगल वाला term क्या है 2 plus 1. अगर next term 3 है तो उसके साथ में कौन सा term है 3 plus 1. Okay, this goes on continuing, right? And the last term here is 99 into 99 plus 1. Okay. अब ये हो क्या रहा है guys, देखो, see there are 99 terms such that okay you are starting from 1 and going on till 99, और हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, for every term we are multiplying by the next term, right? So you are basically writing all these terms like this, right? 1 into 1 plus 2, okay, 2 into 2 plus 1. Okay, so you're writing it in this way: 1 into 1 plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 1, 3 into 3 plus 1. ऐसा हम लोग कब तक कर रहे हैं? 99 terms तक कर रहे हैं, right? So basically your question is nothing but summation of all these terms which are of the form r into r plus 1, such that r is going from 1 to 99, isn't it? यही हो रहा है ना यहाँ पे? 1 into 1 plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 1, 3 into 3 plus 1. That's how it goes, right? Okay, so basically you are doing summation of r into r plus 1 such that r goes from 1 to 99. Okay, now if you observe this carefully, okay, this is nothing but r square plus r. Now guys, summation is just like any other mathematical operator which we have. Okay, so you can just take summation inside the bracket. So summation of r square ban jayega plus summation of r. Okay, now summation of r square we have formula n into n plus 1 into n plus 1 divided by 6. Summation of r also we have formula. You can just take n into n plus 1 upon 2 common. You will get something like this. Okay, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3. Okay, you just plug in the value of n as 99 now. Okay, and you get the answer 3,33,300 as the answer in this case. Okay, now I want you to remember this box, guys, when I have a draw here because we'll be using it further now. Okay, in the upcoming questions, in the upcoming part.